Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add audio fade in DaVinci Resolve 20 using two methods. Here, you can see that we have a very basic timeline. Suppose I want to add a fade effect to the audio. Let's look at the first method, which uses an effect. I'm going to start up here at the beginning and go to Effects, then Audio Transitions. Here, you will see three crossfade effects. I'm going to take the crossfade with 0 dB and just drop it onto the clip that I need to fade up. Alright, so if I want my audio fade to be longer, I can just grab it at the end and pull it until I'm satisfied. Now I have a long, smooth audio fade, or cross dissolve, whatever you want to call it. Now, if you want to add the effect at the end of the audio, you just drag and drop it at the end. In the Inspector tab, you can edit the duration and frames for the effect, but I usually leave them as they are. So this is how I can fade out the music, dialogue, or effect at the beginning and end. That's how easy it is. You can also apply this effect to fade out bad cuts in a music track. Here, I have a really bad music cut. Now let's add the crossfade here. You can hear that it immediately fades out the bad part of the cut. You can also expand the fade to hide the cut even more. Now, let's look at the second method. When I hover my cursor over the audio track, I can see 2 points appearing at the edges of the track. If you drag those points inward, it will also add a fade effect to the audio. You will see another point in the middle of the fade effect. Using this, you can edit it to have a slow start and then abruptly go louder, or you can start it with a bang. Just play around with it until you're satisfied. And that's how you add audio fade in DaVinci Resolve. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.